Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our arcade level 2, that is citizen developer skills, second catalog foundations, second lab, that is connect and configure data for your app sheet. Okay, so now before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous two labs. जितने भी पिछली दो लेवल सबका solution upload हो गया है and level 1 के भी सारे solution upload हो चुके हैं that you can access by clicking on the आई बटन ऑफ द वीडियो के आई बटन पर जैसे क्लिक करेंगे आपको प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी जिसमें सारे सॉल्यूशन गिवन है. नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम स्टार्ट दिस, ओपन द लैब एंड वेट फॉर द पेज टू बी लोडेड. पेज लोड होने का वेट करेंगे. Once the page get loaded, simply click on the start lab button and wait for the credentials to be appear. start lab बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे. जैसे credentials आएंगे तो अपने ऐप शीट में लॉगिन करेंगे. तो वेट करते हैं, स्टार्ट लैब बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं. So as you can see, our credentials are loaded. Now copy the username and right click upon open Google App Sheet and open it in new private window or in incognito mode. Otherwise you will face certain issues. तो incognito mode में ही इसे open करना है. Now we need to log in with the Google ID. Okay, so simply click on this, sign in with Google, and we need to use the username which is given to us as the email ID. जो हमने अभी अभी यूजर नेम कॉपी किया था वो हम एज अ ईमेल आईडी यूज करेंगे. सो पेस्ट द यूजर नेम दैट वी जस्ट कॉपीड एंड क्लिक ऑन द नेक्स्ट बटन. Now we need the password. So for the password, come back to the lab once again and copy this password. This time we need to copy the password. So come back to here. Now paste the password there and click on this next button, and we get logged in into our Google App Sheet. So wait for it to appear. Click on this I understand button. It's a welcome message. Now we need to simply accept it. So click on the allow button. Now come back to the lab. Click on this task one and scroll down to the task one. First of all, right click upon customer contact app and open it in private window. Okay, it's the embedded link. इसमें embedded link है, so आपको ये redirect कर देगा app sheet की तरफ. Okay, now wait for the page to be loaded up. So our spreadsheet, actually app sheet is now open. We need to copy the app from the given data. So copy, click on this copy app button. Now click on this app name. We need to remove this name and we need to use the name given in the lab. So come back to here and copy this name, that is customer contacts. Copy it. Come back to here. Paste it under here. Now click on this copy app button and it will start to copying the app. So wait for the process to be done. Once the process get done, we will get the green tick for the task number 1. Okay. Now this is our app interface. So we are done with the process. Come back to here. Scroll down a little bit. Click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick for the task number 1. And for the task number 2, we need to make a copy of a spreadsheet given to us. So simply right click upon this, a copy of companies, and open it in private windows. Okay. Now come back to here. First of all, we need to copy the data name. So copy this company's name. We will use it as the name of the copy that we made of the spreadsheet. Make sure you don't copy the full stop. एंड में जो full stop है उसे आपको copy नहीं करना है. Come back to here, wait for the spreadsheet to be loaded up. Click on this make a copy button. We need to make a copy of it. Once your data get loaded, you need to rename this file. So click on this, double click upon this, remove this whole name and paste the name that we just copied, that is companies, and hit enter button. We are done with this and wait for this data to reload, and then we will come back to the lab. Scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. So we are done with this task also. So yes, now we need to create a data with the help of this data sheet that we just made. So come back to here, click on this my apps tab. We need to open this app sheet, wait for the panel to be loaded up. Now just simply cut this, and yes, you need to open the customer contact app sheet. Actually cut this, click on this tab, switch to legacy mode, click on this data. We need to add a new table. Now click on this Google Sheets, and we will select the Google Sheet that is companies. So wait for it to appear. मेक श्योर आपका जो कंपनी स्प्रेडशीट का डाटा था वो कंप्लीटली लोड हो गया हो, नहीं तो आपको यहाँ पर कंपनीज की स्प्रेडशीट दिखेगी नहीं. अब सिलेक्ट दिस कंपनीज स्प्रेडशीट, क्लिक ऑन द सिलेक्ट बटन एंड वेट फॉर इट टू गेट लोडेड. Now click on this add this table button and it will add the following credentials into the table. Now while it's loading, simply come back to the lab and scroll up a little bit. We need to scroll up. You will see a link here, drive.google.com. Open it in private window. Come back to the tab, that is second tab. Make sure it gets loaded. Once it's get loaded, we will click on the check my progress and we will get the green tick. Now come back to the lab. You can see progress is done. Scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Click on this check my progress and you will get the green tick for the task number 2. Once you are done with this, we will head towards the task number 4. So we'll click on this. Now let's see what we need to do here in the task number 4. So in the task number 4, we need to go to the point number 5 and need to copy this last contacted as a name. Copy it very carefully. Don't copy any extra full stop. We need to add a column header in the spreadsheet. So come back to here. Come back to the drive tab. Wait for the drive to be loaded up. So once it's get loaded, you will see a folder or name AppSheet. So open it. Open the AppSheet folder. Click on this data. Open the add data folder. From here, select customer contacts. Open it and select this contacts and open the spreadsheet. Okay. So we need to add a column header and the name that we just copied, we will use this as a column header name. Okay. Now हमने जो अभी name copy किया था उसे as a column header name use करेंगे. Wait for the data to be loaded up. So once the data get loaded, click on this column number F and paste the name that we just copied. Paste it under here. Now simply come back to here. Scroll down a little bit. Keep scrolling, and we need to copy one another name. Keep scrolling. Let me check where it is. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. And yes, this is the company ID which we will use to add another column. So copy it very carefully. Don't copy any extra spacing or any extra full stop. We need to add under the column G. So come back to here, click on this column G, double click upon it and paste the name that we just copied. Simply come back to the customer contacts app sheet. Wait for it to get loaded. Then we will click on this columns tab and you will see a warning under the columns tab. So wait for it to get loaded. Now click on this, open it. You need to open it and we need to regenerate the things. So click on this regenerate structure. So it will regenerate the structure as we updated two new columns. So click on this regenerate and wait for it to regenerate the columns. Okay. So once you are done with this progress, simply come back to here, scroll up a little bit to the task number 4, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick for the task number 4. You can see assessment is completed. And now scroll down, keep scrolling, and similarly do this for the task number 5. Click on this check my progress. You will get the green tick for this task number also. Okay, so click on this. Let's see. You must get the green tick. Please set up the reference column company in the context sheet. Let's see what is the mistake that we. Let me check what is the mistake we done. So only error I was making is simply I came back to my contact sheet. The only error that I was doing is that I didn't press the enter button. Company ID selected थी, enter नहीं हुआ था, तो name update नहीं हुआ था. So simply I click on the enter button. I again come back to the customer context and I regenerated the structure. So this error goes out. And once I click on the check my progress, I get the green tick in the task number 5th also. So with this, our lab is completed. Congratulations. Now we can click on the add lab button. Click on this. Give the star rating that you want to give. Click on the submit button. And also you can leave any additional comment if you want. Click on the submit button. Now come back to the main page to verify whether we get the green tick or not. Okay. So अगर हमें लैब की साइड ग्रीन टिक मिल गया होगा मतलब हमारी लैब कंप्लीट हो चुकी है, सॉल्यूशन एकदम करेक्ट है. Okay. So now scroll down a little bit, open the catalog, and you can see we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. Okay, so this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.